Hi guys, okay, so let's talk about RCX. So RCX is a plant-based container wax which was developed in-house by Candle Shack. We were looking for a natural plant-based wax that would be suitable for larger scale production. And at the time when we manufactured this, there was a real pushback against soy wax in the market. So this quite complicated blend of rapeseed and coconut works extremely well, delivers great scent throw, and it burns really nice and cleanly. So it holds a lot of fragrance, so RCX will take up to 12% fragrance, which gives you quite a lot of flexibility, but typically you only need 8 or perhaps 10% fragrance, and that's generally more than enough. In terms of wicks, CL series are typically the best for this wax, and you know, a CL12 or a CL14 will generally work in a 30 cl jar, so RCX for a plant wax is actually quite easy to wick. So how do you melt it? So with RCX, this wax, a bit like S41, is pretty good for what we would call a nucleation pour. So you pour this wax just as it starts to, you get seed crystals forming. So you melt the wax to about 60 degrees, which isn't very high. You add your fragrance oil in, give it a good stir, and then you cool the wax to 38 or 39 degrees centigrade, so just below 40. And at this point you start to get seed crystals forming, and then you pour it nice and slowly into pre-warmed jars. The other nice thing with RCX, unlike perhaps some soy waxes, is that if you do get a slightly crumbly surface when you first pour the candle, it responds relatively well actually to, you know, a gentle heat gun or indeed a top-up pour. Once the candle's finished, allow the candle to rest for a couple of days for best results before burning.